Ever noticed that a pencil looks bent when you put it in a glass of water? Or seen an arrow suddenly point in the opposite direction? It almost looks like magic, but today we are going to discover the fascinating science behind these amazing water illusions. Let's get started. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Amrapali Roy. Welcome to the Science Demonstration and Quiz Series presented by the Saujanaya International Educational Foundation. Today we will explore simple experiments that you can easily try at home. Let's see how our eyes can sometimes be fooled. I am placing a pencil inside the glass of water. Take a close look. It looks bent. But has the pencil really bent? Or something else is happening? Let's test our observation. Why does the pencil appear bent? A. Water bends the pencil. B. Light changes direction. C. The glass bends the pencil. Think carefully. I'll reveal the answer a little later. Now next. Here is an arrow pointing to the right. Now watch. Did you notice that the arrow now appears to point in the opposite direction? How did the arrow change direction? Let's try another one. There is a coin hidden. Can you see it? Not yet. Now slowly pour water. Look closely. The coin suddenly appears. It seems like it came out of nowhere. But the coin never moved. So what changed? Here is another question. What made the coin appear? Reflection, refraction, or magnification? Let us play a drinking straw into a glass of water. From the side, it looks broken. If I rotate, the straw seems to shift again. Is the straw actually broken? Of course not. So why does it look that way? Let us find out. Light usually travels in straight lines, but when it passes from one transparent material to another, like from air into water, it changes speed. When its speed changes, its direction changes too. This bending of light is called refraction. Our brain assumes that light always travels in a straight line. So when the light bends before reaching our eyes, brain traces its path back in straight line. As a result, the object appears to be somewhere it is not. That's why the pencil looks bent. The straw appears broken. The hidden coin suddenly becomes visible and the arrow seems to reverse direction. The objects never moved, only the path of light changed. We have a common misunderstanding that water bends objects. But fact is, water does not bend objects, it bends the light coming from those objects. Refraction isn't just something we see in science demonstration. It's happening all around us. Eyeglasses help us see clearly because they bend light. Microscopes and telescopes use carefully designed lenses to reveal things we could not otherwise see. Swimming pools often look shallower than they really are because of refraction. Even when people go fishing, they have to remember that fish is not exactly where it appears to be. Understanding refraction helps explain many things we see in everyday life. Let's check your answers. For the first question, the correct answer is B. Light changes direction. And for the second question, the correct answer is also B. Refraction. If you got both answers right. Congratulations! I hope you enjoyed today's science demonstration. Please try these at home and let me know in comments which one surprised you the most. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Stay curious, keep experimenting and keep learning. Thank you very much.